Now, one question we get asked quite a lot is why Daniel arcs the tape round when he takes the measurement. When he does the common rafter, he goes from the top there, from the top of the plumb cut, measures down on the top of the rafter, marks his line, and then that becomes the plumb cut for the seat cut. When he goes to the hip, that doesn't happen. So why is that?
Right, so on the hips and the jacks, I've got a direct measurement. So the roof's already pitched now, so I've got something I can physically measure off. So now I can go from the top of the hip there down to the wall plate, and we've got 29 7/8 or 760.
So should we say 760?
760, so that's a physical measurement now. But with this one, when we started pitching the roof, we had nothing here, so I couldn't measure off nothing.
Yeah.
And that's the maths works along the top edge.
So now show us how you and why you do this arcing.
Right, yep. So here's a splay cut ready to go against the hip, and this is 30 degrees down here, the same as the main roof. And then I'm going to measure 760 from the longest point, because that is my fixed point. I'm going to put the square to the longest point, which I've measured on the hip, and then I'm going to go 760. But the reason I arc it is because I'm not exactly sure where the bird's mouth is. As you can see, if I come round there at 760, I'm pivoting from the longest point, and that forms a nice little arc. You can see that round there.
Got it, okay.
So because we're pivoting from the longest point.
Yeah.
And then I can put the roofing square on. We slide it through till it hits that line there. That's our bird's mouth. So just to verify, from the longest point there to our bird's mouth, that is 760. And just to verify, a few people have been asking, but this jack rafter is exactly the same as an ordinary rafter, same pitch. It just goes in nicely into our hip. And if you like this video, don't forget to check out my playlist on the Skill Builder, which is just about here.